Deep in the heart of the sprawling Whispering Woods lay an ancient cave, shrouded in mystery and forgotten by time. Legends spoke of its enchanted depths and the whimsical creatures that slumbered within, guarding secrets untold. It was said that those who entered rarely returned unchanged. Amelia and Tom, a couple with an insatiable thirst for adventure, found themselves drawn to the tale. Fresh from the city, where life had become mundane and predictable, they yearned for an escape into the extraordinary. With a map in hand and a twinkle of excitement in their eyes, they set out towards the cave, under the gilded light of an autumn morning. The woods were alive with the rustle of leaves and the playful dance of sunlight through the branches, casting a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. As they drew nearer to the cave's entrance, an eerie silence enveloped them. Here, the air was thick with anticipation, and the temperature seemed to drop with each step. Inside, the cave was vast and echoing, its walls glittering with minerals that reflected their flashlight beams like scattered stars. Amelia and Tom explored deeper, their whispers swallowed by the looming darkness. They marveled at the stalactites and stalagmites draped in glistening dew. Just as they reached what seemed to be the heart of the cave, a curious thing happened. A soft luminescence began to glow from the far end, revealing a hidden passage they hadn't noticed before. Compelled by a force unknown, they moved towards it. Suddenly, a gust of wind rushed through, and the ground beneath them trembled. Startled yet intrigued, they stepped into the passage and found themselves in a chamber unlike any other. It was filled with shimmering crystals and a serene pond that radiated an unworldly blue glow. Within the pond, images began to surface, showing scenes of their life together, moments of joy, struggle, and love. Realization dawned upon them that this wasn't merely a physical journey, but an introspective one. The cave had revealed to them the essence of their bond, reigniting the affection that had dimmed with routine. Embracing the revelation, they held each other in a quiet moment of profound connection. As they exited the cave, the world outside seemed more vivid, more alive. The forest welcomed them back with a gentle breeze, as if acknowledging their transformation. The adventure they sought had been found within, reminding them that sometimes the greatest discoveries are those of the heart.